me jina ho na me jina ho no. 500 cedis e bet masu me day. 500 cedis. How much is 500 cedis?
Oh, be lie.
500 cedis you're saying?
We are having issues with Afuas in this country. Some gave us tonaton, and when they saw fame, they also started, talking anyhow. And another Afua is in the picture, and you're also talking anyhow. Kasabahat, sis. We have seen people in this space before.
Yes.
We have seen the likes of Moshe. She said so many things. Go date boy where they use Corolla, then things. But I'm sure now she doesn't even have a bicycle.
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problems. I want problems. Always.
You get it? You get it? If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it.
Yeah. How can you tell me this story?
All be lie. All be lie. All be lie. You said all be lie.
Welcome to the rich.
Hello, everyone. For from DJ Paco Rich. I had me a Paco Rich Studio. Send subscribe to them channel. I say why subscribe. I want Joshi. Yeah, now it's a video to my it me with PKB.
Yeah, man.
How much you they spend a day?
Me?
Yeah.
They reach 40 Ghana cell phone.
Hey.
Me at the chop once a day.
So assuming that one more 5,000 cedis a day. I mean, explain to us how I best spend 5,000 cedis. You need to finish some.
I need to finish it in a day.
Yeah.
Oh.
But spend it in a wise way.
I'll use it to solve problems on my car. And that money will be.
And the next day, if we give you another 5K.
Oh, I don't go to spend another 5K the next day.
Okay.
Because that's the only problem I have at hand at the moment.
Okay. All right. So then I'm here to introduce to you the biggest spender in Ghana.
Who be that?
What friend with Afua Nash, and that's her picture.
Afua Nash. Yeah.
You see this face looks familiar?
Yeah, she dey show up for my TikTok or my FYP.
Exactly. So I went in girl, my child gay baby Ofi. I think some few years ago, there was new video be all viral, no Lidi Yokogari. Popularly what friend Gope. Na I mean the way I know Z, be viral video caught trends. Me posting a video, and I can say that I was part of the people that really shared their videos. I quite remember them a compilation be for Ono and SDK and Ifira Kwame Jokoto. Just to push the agenda to get her flying.
Yeah.
But I mean, we've studied her progress. Even though we assigned it to some what's a Hausa cuisine be food they be and or adverts now. So we've been seeing her progress. But not long ago, or the video be about to go, another interview be our grants. I got to 2 interviews was Zion Felix. But there's a traditional question be almost all the day Zion Felix in the video. We they see those questions because we be some Mr. Logic, we be a lot of people, and every day the more question and or the problem is about. Question will be say girl in there, how much should they spend a day? So the whole interview was about, to show say she gets. And then she said she spends 5,000 cedis a day.
Hey!
5,000 cedis a day. Nah, I mean, Ghana ain't too many kadamasa and phone wins.
No.
So
we go pull up on our calculators.
I say, after saying that, and the internet went gaga, and everybody was sharing her mind. I was able to compile some of her past videos. Me like that, and I go dig you. Then bring what you said yesterday when you were Amabu and Hima. You understand? And so let's watch that video that I dropped on TikTok. After that, we'll have the great conversation.
Uncle, please tell us a story.
Ebusiafo, ejebiwa, ejebitase.
A day, Miss Man spend 8,000 Ghana.
Hey, all be lie.
Oh,
Papa crying in his zinc town or your social media. Oni. Yatson and culture or he's fine. But Orokwa no dinyeja Afua Otumfu.
On a daily basis, like in a day,
Okay.
on a normal day, on a power sorry, do be the everybody the base say my breakdown of that on a normal day.
All be lie.
I'm not expensive, but I'm expensive. 5,000 is fine.
All be
On a
lie.
normal day.
Yes.
Afua Otumfu ye besia bebia nyami pejan with bem. Odi ban in order rise up to fame.
All be lie.
Otumfu nyami show.
What sort of nonsense is that?
All be lie. All be lie. It be
Me
set
kwa
up.
obi di machi.
I don't want peace. I want problems always.
Na asama American mi fefi Bible 2 Samuel chapter 1 verse 11. Osende onhini bia na wo friend
It be
David.
set up.
Nyankopon left no do level bia. Ohwe na hanta lobana braboma. Na waka fa na tare dada won. Na waka yin bebia ofri. Na as usual, all be lie department.
set up.
Researcher, what friend research of your Amabwa Hima
It be
days.
set up.
Ina your Wendy Shay now one. Yazba bro.
See this nana me dey fa o me mpasem taxi no need boat ni boy din me ho
All be
because
lie.
me koya hantan ko fa ebia me koya hantan na makofa dropping a
All be
na me
lie.
ba wan dey be ma me aduane sika.
A few moments later.
It be set up.
On a daily basis, like in a day,
Okay.
averagely how much do you spend on yourself? I mean, food and transportation and all that. And is it okay?
Yes, it's a lot. Oh. I'm not expensive, but I'm expensive. 5,000 is fine.
On a normal day.
All be lie.
So this is what we've been able to put together. Sister, CCR osi money no be problem. Odiska de abuata fro. 5,000 Ghana cedis a day. Na ihana yezi 500 cedis a day nimpoze. Ehiafo noko ehiafo na asofrinyan.
What's the most expensive wig that you've bought for yourself?
I think that one is
It be set up.
some long wig be me to 12,000.
Besiamu Dangote, Besiamu Bill Gates, Auntie Fui, Mamie Fua, Nana, Edibemu Obahema, Didimahen, Ediza ye. We are so proud of you. But the most Americans, Achaba, Missy, all be lie. It be set up.
All be
Me
lie.
fa trotro na ma service kano for next day.
Samu wasemu no. Me dia mo pe mo trend, mo fan ko fa baby fufro. I decided not to talk about this.
All be lie.
Me decided some can be about it.
It be set up.
But I think say it choke my neck here.
Me num enye all the time na me num bottle water, me pure water na.
All be lie.
And I don't me spending or 500 cedis. For me jina ho na me jina ho no. 500 cedis e bet must me day.
It be set
500
up.
cedis. How much is 500 cedis?
All be lie.
500 cedis you're saying? Mo bomo dam. Bando kompa me chokwa bo bando you're saying?
Obwa.
All be lie.
All right. PKB.
Yeah, man.
The underlying word in there. I'm expensive, but I'm not expensive. In that narrative, what should it mean?
She dey try talk say Charlie. She say I don't know. Levels don't change. Levels no day like before.
And then another line in the video that really caught a man for our attention is in there. I bought them. What is 500 CDs?
Hey.
What?
Charlie.
How those where they spend 500 CDs? Do I look like one of them?
Hey.
Yeah.
Somebody who couldn't even afford a bottle of water.
You
back to
understand?
Back to back.
They take
He dey drink pure water. He
Trotsky.
dey pick Trotsky. Taxi service. No
Eh?
go pick. He go save money. Pick Trotsky the following day.
Eh? But PKB, I said, I mean, you may be damn now. If you there or your bazon or cost, I mean, is it too much of fame, or you
See,
think like?
yeah, me, I always go talk this, right? You see, especially when you go through a lot and things change for you.
Yeah,
When you were, if you were not born in it,
yeah,
some people were born in it. Be like DB, be like poor, like you poor that you can't get money. Charlie,
Yeah.
if money reach your hand, it be different vibe. You start to think like somebody with money enter your hand. You know, everybody will get that attitude. Say, oh, it go for control, like you know that self control. Not be everybody get them. Same with fame. Somebody will get fame, right? DJ, see, it go handle them nice. You know, go even hear pick me. Make another person get fame. You go see say, hey, you want it be different vibes. So this girl, she just for be humble. We've seen you before and we are seeing you now. So cool down. Like if we don't know you before, then it be different conversation. But we've seen it and now we are seeing you now. So just have to cool down. Let the numbers relax in your head. It's like the numbers is becoming too much in your head. And you are feeling so big. Yes, it's good to feel big, but overly feeling big will put you into a lot of problems. When we started, I'm on for a shit. So what I say, because they know where you started from and where you've gotten to, especially when you didn't have anything and we all knew it. You are the ones supposed to even stay humble. Relax. Make them do their work for you. Nobody you go for candy tell me the lifestyle you live. Let the lifestyle do the talking. You understand? Yeah.
And there was one point that she also said in the interview there. In manager self, they be number one priority. In boyfriend,
number two,
not work for the manager. And Charlie. You see, there is something I said when I saw this video that people that can afford even this lifestyle wouldn't come out.
They won't come out to
Farida, or that's her name, President Muhammad's daughter.
Farida. Yeah.
Farida can choose to spend 5,000 cedis a day for 10 years. Because ne uncle Ibrahim Mahama. No papa yet the president of the country. You understand? She can do that. But such a person with even the status on a crown, they need to talk plenty like that. And they won't do it. Not long ago, when I went to Volta region with Ghc5000, there was this young lady I was sending around, you know, her name is Vera, Dr. Vera, yeah. And she was so humble that at a point I gave her my camera there on Fanny Juma. Later I discovered that this girl is some top girl.
It's you.
She went to that school, Association International or whatever, that school at airport.
Airport, yeah.
Where I hear say that my fees, the way they cost.
Heavy.
You understand?
Yeah.
But she was humble. So my dear, we have seen people in this space before.
Yes.
We have seen the likes of Moshe. She said so many things. You know, go date boy where they use Corolla, then things. But I'm sure now she doesn't even have a bicycle. We have seen the errors of Bintu. When TikTok came, when we mentioned the queen of TikToker, then we mentioned Asantoa, we mentioned Jacqueline. But now there are new faces who are ruling. So what brothers in pain for years about in there? Slow down. Today R2Bs in a waist kid. You tap that, you tap this.
Yeah, man.
You understand?
Yeah, man.
And so, lady, we are not here to just drag you like that.
No.
We are here to push some sense into your head.
Yeah, be calming down.
Calm down. And every money they make, try and invest it very well.
You know.
Because it doesn't make sense today. It did 5,000 cedis. Now rent only 5,000.
You know.
How much be your rent?
Yes.
How much be your too much money?
You know.
You understand? You see Ibrahim Muhammad, they talk, say, they wear shoe, they cause this before.
No.
You understand?
It be we will foresee that we talk on.
Akasasam.
Yeah.
Akasasam na ACCA. Nyame ya wadom na itu kwano kwa Americans are bad. You understand? We are having issues with Afuas in this country. Some gave us ton, and when they saw fame, they also started, you know, talking anyhow. And another Afua is in the picture, and you're also talking anyhow. Kasabahat, slow down. We got mad love for you. Food is taking you to places. You understand? Some people that are VVJ, where they take them to places, but you unfortunately, fortunately for you, food where they carry you. So we're looking forward there. It's Banzoboko Olympic Games. You understand? But now that you are telling us that we should call you Dangotewa, Bill Gates Nia, and all those things there, Charlie, we don't feed your back like this, so slow down. The future is exciting. You understand? P.
Yeah, man.
What be that?
You know, be that too. Nothing else they would tell her if you no go take this one.
And a small thing today, you go do live video, they insult people. These are the same people who can't follow you. They make you who you are.
Yeah.
You have only 1.3 million followers.
Like she just for shut up, self.
You understand? That 1.3 million followers, when you were there, me when you started, I had more viewers than you. But you see how life is over. Speeding is dangerous, but overtaking is allowed. So you can't pass all of us, go there up there. You understand? The same way where you are, you can be there. And people go fit come overtake you then catch them. You understand? We just don't come here screaming with a talk sense into your head.
Yeah, man.
You understand?
Yeah, man.
So eat with a purpose.
Keep eating.
And then keep your cool. You understand? We're out of here.
Peace.
Nigerians go how many?
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problem. I want problem. Always.
You get it? You get it? If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it.
Yeah, how can you tell me this story?
All the lie. All the lie. All the lie. You said all the lie.
Power to the rich.